How's it going, everyone? The Mighty Quinn here. So I am very excited about today's video. I have finally found Korean corn dogs. I have been looking for these for like a year, maybe even a year and a half. And here today, sitting right before me, I got them. I got a variety of flavors. Some of them have mostly cheese or just cheese. Some of them are half cheese, half hot dog, and some is just like a full hot dog. Also, just from the look of them, man, it looks like one got hot Cheetos on them, another has what looks like potatoes, and then I think this is the classic Korean. I don't know what this one is. Oh, it's got some cinnamon and I think sugar on it. It smells sweet. But here's a fun fact. I hate corn dogs. So why am I sitting here eating this? They look good. They look good. So as a certified hot dog, well, as a certified corn dog hater, I'm hoping these Korean corn dogs can change my mind. So let's see. I'm gonna start with the classic first. I love it. The thing, there's two things I hate about American corn dogs. I can admit they look good, but number one, the smell. I cannot get past the smell. And number two, it just tastes even worse. This smells good, and it tastes great. That batter, it's nice and sweet. I think this has panko breadcrumbs on it. Man, that's good. All right, this one is weird. I would have never thought to put potatoes on a corn dog, but yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. It's like it's like eating a hot dog with fries. It's basically what it is. And that beef dog that's inside, really good. Yeah, this definitely beats an American hot dog by a long shot. All right, it's got some. I think that's hot Cheeto dust. Okay. I can't taste the hot Cheetos, but it's still good. I've made hot Cheeto chicken wings on this channel before, and I had the same issue. I couldn't taste the hot Cheetos. If I said it before, I'm going to say it again. This was so worth the wait. And I got these from a food truck. They're not as hot as when I first got them, obviously, but they're still pretty warm. Cheese pull was okay. Probably would have been better if I would have eaten it when I first got it, but no complaints here. Alright. Yeah, this is the I think cinnamon and sugar. Everything. It's so good. Everything, like, all of this is savory, a little salty, and then you bite into this, it's just so sweet. There's a party going on. If I had to choose my favorite, I'll probably go first, second, third, fourth. Again, first, second, third, fourth. These things are filling. I didn't expect them to be so big, and I didn't expect that batter to be so thick as well. But man, oh my goodness. There's so much cheese here. I'm feeling cultured. Also, thank you all for being patient with me. It's been over a week since I last uploaded. I apologize, but like I said in the post, my job has just been working the crap out of me. Like, my job is very physical. It takes a lot of physical labor, and I am exhausted. But I'm not tired of these. I'm gonna try to move you up. Man, what else do I say?